Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your Snapchat password if you forgot it. It's pretty easy, and basically it's not that easy, but if you it's the only option that you have. So let's say my phone over here, it's a Samsung phone. It uses a Google account. Now Google and Samsung has something called autofill passwords. Okay. Now this is the phone that I've been using on Snapchat my whole entire life, and I forgot the password. So what you could do is that you're going to navigate to settings. Okay, there's basically no option in Snapchat where you can see your password. There's none. Okay, so once you are in settings, you're going to scroll down all the way to security and privacy. Okay, now from security and privacy, you're going to click on accounts. From accounts, you're going to click on Google account security. Now you're going to pick your account that you basically use. I have a bunch of different options, but most of you are going to have only one account. Basically, go onto your main account. Now, when you're in your Google account, you're going to go onto your saved passwords. Okay, then you're going to click on check your passwords. Now, from check your passwords, you're going to click on check your passwords again. Now, I'm going to verify with my fingerprint right now. Okay, and or you could use your pin. Now I have I used my pin, and I can see now. If I click on the two compromised passwords, or basically you can check it out. You're going to just check out each and every single one of those. But basically, if you're going to click on 219, you're going to click on basically reused passwords, and you're going to scroll down until you find Snapchat. Okay. Now on Snapchat, you're going to click on the three buttons, and you're going to click on view password. I'm not, of course, going to click on it, but if you click on view password, you're going to find and see your own password that you use on Snapchat. Okay. This is basically the only way you can access or you can see your password on Snapchat. If you didn't save it, you can actually let Snapchat send you an email where you can reset your Snapchat, or where you can reset your Snapchat password, or send you a code on your SMS. But basically, this is the easiest way that you can do. So yeah, guys, this is basically how you can see your passwords. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.